This works. Hi, Clicky. Got a puppy. Hang on, guys. I gotta see if this works. Are we recording? We're recording. So, I just scared the bejesus out of myself. Thanks a lot, Loey. I was watching Loey videos, Loey Lane. I was watching her videos, and, yeah. Let me get situated. I'm sorry I failed at the Vlog-O-Ween because, I don't know. I just got tired and depressed and was like, why am I doing this? I didn't, you know, like, the algorithm, whatever, before I wasn't getting hardly any views, and now I'm not getting any views, and, you know, it's just like, why am I doing it? I didn't understand why I'm doing it. But I just scared myself to death. We have a freak snowstorm going on. And apparently it decided to knock out the power while I was in the basement pulling out laundry. So the light goes out and I'm like, what the beep? You know? And then the light pops on, and then the light pops off, and I'm like, knock it off! And the light pops on, and I'm just like, what in the world? And then the light goes off again, and I go to the steps to try to go up, and the light goes on and off, and then it stays off, and I'm trying to, like, find my way up the steps, because our basement is completely dark down there. I was freaking out. I was like, oh my god, what is going on? I called my mother-in-law, and I'm like, please tell me you don't have any power, because I can't deal. So here I am. I just got out of the shower. I got my spooky snacks, my trolley, Nightcrawler mini snacks, and I was gonna, like, watch some more AHS. And no, I can't do that. I'm not in the dark, but, you know, no electricity. No power for me. So, here I am. Don't know when I'm going to upload this to you. Could be a while. I still have a ton more spooky stories, but the dog, like, went to the bathroom on my paper, and I haven't been feeling it. I kind of did an outside yard tour before it snowed the other day, because snowmagedon was coming, and, yeah, I have a lot more spooky stuff to talk about, but, you know, I, eventually moved to Fargo, and met my now husband. Well, before I met my now husband, my friend Kat and I lived in an apartment together, like a townhouse on the end of a building, where her son said he saw a man peeking in the door. That scared me. We used to hear singing. One night we were standing at the counter in the kitchen, and we were doing something, talking, laughing, and the cupboard door swings open and hits her in the face. Well, not the face, it hits her in the forehead. But it was kind of funny that it would do that. She got my makeup case, my kitten caboodle makeup case, like, it was behind the toilet, and apparently it, like, hit her in the back of the head or something, or, like, you know, because she's using the bathroom, and the kitten caboodle, like, flipped up onto her. So, I don't know about that. But then, I met my hubby, and we lived together in an apartment for a while, and then we decided to move, and we had 5 cats. And we saw this apartment, and they were like, you can move in right away, 5 cats, no deposit, fine. And I'm like, what do you mean? No pet deposit? And they were like, yeah, we'll waive pay your pet deposit if you move in today. Or move in this week or whatever it was. Move in now. And I was like, okay. So we move into there. And it starts with me watching Ghost Adventures or Ghost Hunters and the water in the bathroom coming on and scaring the crap out of my husband. I come home every day and all of the cupboard doors on the bottom, all the bottom cupboard doors would all be open. That's weird. We had the curtain moving like somebody was looking out the window. I once saw the cat, like the cat's legs up in the air, like somebody had picked the cat up and then dropped him. Phones would fly off. I told the story about the pet food flying at me. Cold spots. There was one night there was a really big cold spot like right in front of us, like by the couch, like right in front of us. Both of us could like pretty much put our hands around it and be like, this is where it is. I had mentioned before that I brought it up to the renter of the company, and they had said there was something going on in another apartment, but not ours. I talked about the freezer coming open, and the giant Snoopy flying at me when I got angry about the freezer door coming open. And I used to see a cat. I used to see a real pretty, like, fluffy cat. When at the time we didn't have a fluffy cat. But I would always see this fluffy cat. You know, and you would reach down to pet it, and of course it wouldn't be there. So we named him Milk. And then I was like, fine, we're going to buy a house. So we decided to buy a house. And we came here, and when I moved in, I said, you know, if you want to come with me, that's fine, but you gotta, like, stay in the basement. You can't, like, come upstairs. Milk apparently came with us, because my husband and I both saw this cat in the dark as a shadow, and both of us at different times went to pet the cat, thinking it was one of our cats, and nothing. There'd be nothing there. No cat. I saw half a cat one time, where it was like just the back legs and the tail, like really clear. There would be noises from the basement. The couch a couple times has bumped, like moved, shaken. I don't know. I've had a lot of things happen here. Little things. There'll be noises. There'll be things that move or shift, and I can't see it, but I can hear it. What else? Jax has talked about a woman out in the yard who wants to come in, and I'm like, no, she can stay outside. I've seen shadows in the basement. I've had stuff tip over in the basement that shouldn't have tipped over. It could have been a mouse or whatever. That I can be like, fine, that's mice. In the bathroom, a lot of times when I'm going to take a bath or shower, things will fall into the tub or things will fall into the sink, and it's just like, you can't be in here when I'm taking a shower or taking a bath. You need to go. Oh, the first time that I really realized there was something wrong is Halloween. And we were hurrying to get decorated. Because the newspaper was going to come do a story on us. You know, because I had contacted them and said we were Halloween lovers and we want you to see our village. And of course we had moved, so I didn't have the village up. And I was putting things out, and I went into the bedroom, and I come back out, and one of my items that I had set out was turned around. So it was facing the wall. And I was like, alright, a cat could have bumped the table, it could have moved around, whatever. But a couple times I've had items on my shelves, my knickknacks, have been, like, completely facing the other direction. So that's kind of weird. Tapping on the windows, like somebody with a finger, like, tap, tap, tap on the window, that's freaky. I was so tired though, I was like, I'm going to bed. Jackson's aunt that passed away came to visit, and I've talked about that, where he had these keys, and the keys kept going off, and I'm like, oh, Auntie Julie. And I had put the keys in the mudroom, and I said, you know, I'm done, we're not gonna. And when I said Auntie Julie, the keys started to play from the mudroom. It was really weird. And I found out later that her son was actually up the street at his grandparents' house. So I think maybe Julie was just visiting with Jax and, you know, close by, and I have goosebumps from telling you that story. But yeah, I really hope that the power comes back on soon, because, like, I don't know, heat would be nice. No power, no heat. And right now it's like, it's cold. It's like 30-some degrees, I believe. It's snowy. It's pretty snowy out there. I should show you guys the backyard. I had to take Jax to school this morning, and I was just like, alright, bundle up. Coat, boots, hat, scarf. Bundle the boy. So, yeah. Sorry I kind of dropped my daily vlogging, but I don't know. I just got depressed. It's really, really hard. So, yeah. Apparently hubby got a raise. I'm working a lot of more hours. He's at a job he doesn't really like. So, I don't know. Life stuff. Life stuff has happened. But hopefully, since I have a couple days off, I can do some Halloweening. Maybe I'll take you around to the Halloween stores and see if I can find anything cool. And I should wrap this video up. Yeah! The new Shane series. The new one. The third one. Shane and Jeffrey is out now, and I can't watch it. Boo. That sucks, because, I don't know. Of course, watching bad stuff makes me feel bad, because I'm just like, here I am in, you know, where I'm at with everything, and I don't know. It's always fun to, like, daydream about what things could be, but I don't really have, I live in Fargo. Hi, I'm in Fargo. I don't have any money. I'm a poor white Fargo girl. I don't know, however, I'm a basic B, with an addiction to Halloween gummies. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. Oh, guys. Suggestions? What should I do? Clean? Clean up my mess, maybe? Alrighty. I'm gonna go and, Vlogmas, God. Vlog-O-Ween. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I will catch you later, because I don't really know what I'm going to do next, so hopefully we'll do something fun and interesting. But here, you want to see outside? Let me take you on a tour. Let's go. Oh! There it is. Snowmagedon. October 11th. Snow everywhere. And now, no power. Snow and no power. I really hope it comes back soon, because it's going to be interesting if it doesn't. Alright. We'll go say bye. Say bye. Say bye, peoples. Hey, hey. No, you're not going outside. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Alright. Yep. See, look at my mess, guys. I have a lot to clean up. That's all my paperwork and everything, so. Okay. Stay spooky. Bye. Sorry it was so long, but I'll see you on the flip side. Bye.